Hello and welcome to TAM Studios. My name is John Sundar, a technical account manager based out of Chennai, India. Today's featured review is on the new agent activity public API filter and sort agents based on their conversation activities. This feature got released from 31st March 2025. If you are really interested to know more, please follow along. Introducing the first phase of agent monitoring public APIs that are accessible to the admins, supervisors, and developers to filter and sort agents based on their conversation activities. These APIs returns live agent conversation data with the ability to filter and sort by dozens of operational criteria based on their activities. It's a major step forward in enabling faster decision making and more proactive team support. Unlike queue activity, these APIs give supervisors a powerful real-time visibility into agent activities across your contact center. And these are the key capabilities such as live agent visibility, flexible filtering, advanced sorting, and segment state counts. Here are the first set of public APIs available, and there are upcoming plans underway to cover these areas too, such as presence and routing status, work item activity, analytics, workspace agent monitoring UI, workforce management data, agent utilization monitoring, and time since last ACD assignment. And here are the filter and sorting criteria available for further customization. We will anyway see them in real time during a demo session. Now it's time for the demo. I have an agent logged in and already answered a couple of web messaging interactions. Now we'll get into the API and understand how it works. To start with, I'm filtering the agents using the user ID, which will give the endpoints to allow a user to return up to 100 active sessions. So let's see how it is going to display. So we see that currently this agent was handling two web messenger interactions, and out of which one is on hold and the other one is on the interact status. Now I'm going to make a voice call for a testing purpose, and let's see how it is showing the output. The interaction is ringing on the agent. I'm answering the interaction. Now let's go back and look at the API to understand how many active sessions are there. Now there are three sessions for this particular agent, and two of them are on hold, and one is on interact status, which is a voice interaction. So this is how we can see the top 100 active sessions for any given agents using their user ID. In this example, this API query about agent status counts will return the active session counts for a session where the agents who are activated on a queue basis or it has a manager configured for it. So there are multiple criterias where we can use to filter it. So here I have used a couple of filters which I can show. Like I have mentioned the QID and a few other criteria such as the media type as voice and then the direction as an inbound. So if I just execute the API, I get the output as one in interact. So imagine if an agent is moving the interaction into a wrap up state, and let us see the count changes. For example, if I put the call on hold, then the refresh API will give us the output as the count equivalent to the hold. Similarly, if I make the interaction to the wrap up status, then we will be seeing it is under the wrap up section. Yeah. Currently it is 0. Let us see how it is showing up. Now, if I refresh it, it is showing me under the wrap up. So according to their activity, conversation activity, we are able to see on each and every conversation counts with respect to their filter that we put in. So it is more flexible to use, right? Using this agent status counts public API, we can get the following output, such as active session counts broken down by the segment types. For sessions where the agents were activated on a queue ID or using the manager's ID or even with the division ID, we can filter it. Now let's see the agent who are currently handling two different web messaging interactions. Now I'll try to make a voice interaction and see the status. Now the agent is getting a call. Now look at it. Let's look at the have to make it is eligible. Okay. Now if we see it is alerting, so we get count 1 on the alert state. Now if I answer it, we can refresh this query and see that it moved to the interact status. So accordingly, wherever the agent is handling or is in the conversation state, the counts will get automatically changed, and the refresh rate is will be every 5 seconds. Now, with the use of agent status query API, we can get a list of agents and the active sessions for these agents based on the filtering and sorting criteria. For example, if we use any of the filters using QID, manager ID, or a division ID, we will get the top 50 agents with their active 5 sessions on the display. If you see on the screen, I have given a filter with the active QID and with the division ID as well, along with the media type as voice and the origination direction is inbound. Let us see how the output will be. Here is the output where I have filtered this particular QID and also the division ID where it belongs to this particular queue, and I've got the output as one voice interaction that is on the inbound direction. So likewise, we can get the complete list of flexibility and the user agent statuses according to their conversation activities. We believe the information shared in this video will be more useful. If you have any queries, please comment below or you can write to us at tamstudios@genesis.com. Thank you for watching.